What if I told you that there is a single platform, often overlooked by most marketers, that could deliver thousands of free visitors to your affiliate offers every single day? That platform is Pinterest. But here's the real secret. When you combine Pinterest with the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, you unlock one of the most effective affiliate marketing machines available on the internet today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock massive Pinterest traffic using AI tools to create eye-catching pins, write compelling descriptions, discover high-converting keywords, and build affiliate funnels that work on autopilot. Even if you are a complete beginner, this strategy is designed for you. Pinterest is not just another social network. It is actually a visual search engine, which means your content does not disappear after 24 hours like it does on TikTok or Instagram. Instead, pins on Pinterest can rank for months or even years, continuing to drive traffic to your offers long after you post them. With over 480 million active users, Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. The platform attracts people with high buyer intent, who are searching for inspiration and solutions before making a purchase. This makes Pinterest perfect for affiliate niches like fitness, fashion, home decor, technology, and productivity. Plus, the traffic is evergreen, not dependent on unpredictable algorithms. When you combine this with AI, you can scale your affiliate marketing efforts faster than ever before. The first step to unlocking Pinterest traffic is finding the keywords that people are actually searching for. Start with Pinterest's own search bar, but take it to the next level by using AI. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, "Give me 30 Pinterest keyword clusters for my niche, sorted by search intent and buyer intent." AI will return exactly what your audience wants, such as home office must-haves, kitchen gadgets for small spaces, AI tools for productivity, budget beauty hacks, and fitness meal prep ideas. With these optimized keywords, you can build your entire pin strategy around what people are actively searching for, ensuring your content gets discovered by the right audience. The secret to Pinterest's success is creating pins that look amazing and stop users from scrolling past. Thanks to AI, this is easier than ever. Use tools like Canva AI for instant pin templates and text suggestions, Krea AI for next-level image generation, Midjourney for lifestyle scenes and product mock-ups, Recraft AI for branded and consistent pin styles, and Flare AI for product-focused designs perfect for e-commerce. Simply prompt these tools with something like, "Create a clean, modern Pinterest pin about AI tools for affiliate marketing with high contrast, bold text, and Pinterest-friendly dimensions." AI will generate perfect designs in seconds, so you do not need any design skills to create professional-looking pins that grab attention. Titles and descriptions are what determine whether your pin gets found in Pinterest's search results. AI makes this step effortless. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT to write 10 SEO-friendly Pinterest titles and descriptions for the keyword AI tools for affiliate marketing using soft calls to action. ChatGPT will generate keyword-rich titles, clickable descriptions, relevant hashtags, and a variety of call-to-action phrases. This means you can optimize an entire month of content in just minutes, ensuring every pin is primed to attract clicks and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Pinterest traffic is powerful, but it becomes unstoppable when you channel it into a well-constructed affiliate funnel. Here's how the funnel works. First, a user sees your pin. Next, they click through to your blog post or landing page. From there, you introduce your affiliate product and, optionally, capture their email for future marketing. AI can help you create every part of this funnel, from pin graphics and blog posts to product reviews, comparison guides, email sequences, lead magnets, and call-to-action variations. You do not need to write a single line manually if you do not want to. AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on scaling your business. Pinterest rewards consistency, and AI tools make it easy to stay consistent without daily effort. Use Tailwind to automate posting and smart scheduling, Metricool for cross-platform pin scheduling, and Canvas Scheduler to create and schedule pins instantly. Set your schedule once and watch as traffic flows to your affiliate offers every single day, even while you sleep. Certain pin formats consistently go viral on Pinterest. These include list pins, like 5 ideas or 10 tips, before and after transformations, tools you need collections, the ultimate guide to posts, step-by-step tutorials, and product roundups. Create a few of these formats every week, and you will see your Pinterest account grow rapidly. Use AI, get traffic, earn more. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because your next affiliate breakthrough starts now,